Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Jonathan. Good morning to everybody. Right now it is roughly 8:37 a.m. Right now it's October 19, Saturday. So happy weekend to everybody. This last night or early this morning, I found out that my drain just got clogged all of a sudden while I was trying to use the bathroom. I don't know what caused of it. So anyway, I went to Harbor Freight first thing in the morning around 7. I know they open at 8 o'clock in the local here. So I got myself a drain auger. The one that I got is, you probably can see it from here, is the power uh, it's made by Bauer actually. So I don't know if you can see it. Bauer. The model number is 19110C-B, 19110C-B. I was thinking about getting a manual one. It costs $15 for 25 feet. But then again, I think about it's a good investment for a house if you plan to, down the road, most likely you're going to use it again. So I didn't want to get a manual one because I feel like that's a lot of work every time you're doing it manually. So this is a power. It came with a battery, 20-volt battery. It's a heavy duty on it. Let me show you guys outside the box. They do make a different model, the one that with the handle on the bottom, kind of like a gun type. That one costs $99. This is $69.99. I just happen to have a 25% off coupon code that they text me, so I was able to use this. And now after paying for this with the tax is roughly about $58. So rounded to $60. So $60 for a power, wireless power drain auger. I think that's a pretty good price, and most likely I'm going to use it again on the side of the box. Sorry, my camera. You know what? How about I'll do this? I'll just flip this around and show you guys. So yeah, like I say, I got this with the 25% off, and came up to be roughly close to $60. But if you guys had to buy this, retail price for $69.99. After tax, you're looking at probably a $70 something. They do have a different one. This one, I will say that it is 25 feet. But it has a 2-inch, 25 feet, 23 feet, excuse me, 23 feet. The other one that they have is 25 feet. Is it? I think so. I don't exactly remember correctly, but yeah. But this is 23 feet. The other one costs a lot more. Obviously, it is, the other one costs about $99. So you're looking at like $100 something with the tax. So let's open this. They do have a charge for restocking fee if you plan to return it. But of course, if you don't plan to return it, then that's not issues. You don't have to worry about that. I don't plan to return it, so not issues. Down the road, like I say, if you have a house, most likely you're going to use it. So let's open it, see what we got in here, okay? So let's pull this out. What to expect. Get yourselves a cardboard box. Take this off, take the top off. Here we go. Instruction manual. Yeah. They also offer warranty when you are doing your purchase. I didn't buy any warranty. I don't need it. I don't think these things are going to break. Question is, where's the battery? Does it come with a battery? Oh no, it does not come with a battery. Oh, interesting. I guess it does not come with a battery, guys. Yeah, that's weird. Okay, so what's going on? I think I might have to get the battery. Hold on. Okay, guys, I guess apparently I made a mistake. It does not come with the battery. I forgot to read the sign right here. It says tools only. Wow, that's a big mistake. So I most likely had to head back and grab a battery. But anyway, since I'm here, I want to quickly show you guys what you guys will be expecting. Looks something like this. Yeah, and then obviously you gotta get the battery. It's a 20 volt. I probably have to get the battery and the charger. So this thing might cost about $100. Then I don't know how much battery will cost me. Honestly, I do not know. So we'll figure it out when we get there. First of all, yeah, I think I'm going to end the video. Let me quickly show you guys really quick. Like that, you're looking at this, and then there's an indicator on the side right here. It says forward and reverse, and you could adjust the lever. You know, this is the reverse, forward. I believe there's a neutral. Yeah, now it's neutral. And then if you want to push it forward, yeah, there we go. That's forward. But right now I think it's locked. That's why it bounced back. Don't have the battery. You could also spin forward and backward as well. So there's an indicator too. Yeah, that pretty sucks. I didn't know I had the battery. You know what? Let me think if I have any battery that's similar to this, or maybe I might have a Bauer's battery that I could use. I do have other product that are made by Bauer, so most likely I have the battery as well. So maybe I'll try to use that. Let me see. Yeah, they do have an indicator for all the tools, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, I'm going to end the video right here, and then if I don't have it, I obviously got to rush back to Harbor Freight and get it. And then I could use my 25% coupon again. Yeah, sucks. All right, I'll see you guys.